Hi there, and thanks for dropping in. I hope you're well wherever you are watching from in the world. Today we're going to talk about the price of the upcoming Canon EOS R6. It's going to be one of the two mirrorless cameras announced hopefully really soon for release alongside the R5. There has been a lot of focus on the R5, and just the other day I did a video on trying to predict how much the R5 is going to cost, and today it's the R6's turn. Okay, so when we looked at the R5, I made a couple of notes and I got heaps of feedback in the comments, which was really great. Thank you very much. And once again, please leave me your prediction for the Canon EOS R6 in the comments below. How much is it going to cost? How much do you think it's going to cost? Chuck it down there now and then we can compare. Now, just as I did the other day, I've taken some notes here, and I'm mentioning them in New Zealand dollars because we're in New Zealand here, but I will put up the US dollars. You can guess below on whatever dollars suits you. Okay, so we had a look at the EOS R here in New Zealand, and it's currently retailing for around about $3,000 for the body. You can get it a little bit cheaper, maybe $2,800. I expect with the upcoming announcements, this price is going to come down, but we'll wait and see. One of the earlier higher models released already is the EOS RA, and that's also been released here in New Zealand. It's currently on sale for the body only, $4,800, about $2,900, around $3,000 in the States. It may even be quite a bit lower now. And once again, I expect that price to drop with the upcoming releases. If we jump to the RP, look, that's reasonably cheap here in New Zealand, around about $1,800. It's probably about $1,000 in the States, if not a little lower. It's not really going to be taken into consideration. I do believe that the RP is going to hold that entry-level status, being the most affordable of Canon's full-frame mirrorless cameras. Naturally, I looked to the top of the bunch as well, and I came up with the Canon 1DX Mark III, which here in New Zealand is about $11,900. It's nearly $12,000, so that's right at the top of the bunch. When it came to the R5, I nailed my colours to the mast, and I said that I believe, I predict, I guess, I reckon it's going to come out priced New Zealand dollars $6,699. US dollars, it's $4,000. Or let's say $3,999. That's my prediction for the EOS R5. Okay, well, let's get to the prediction for the price of the upcoming Canon EOS R6. My prediction is for the Canon EOS R6, the price on release is going to be New Zealand dollars $4,999. That's $5,000. And American dollars $3,100. Maybe $2,999. Okay, I'm going to give myself a range. Well, hey, thanks a lot for watching. And as I say, please leave your prediction down below. Tell me how wrong I am, or maybe I'm right. What do you reckon? Let me know. Please click subscribe if you want to. We're coming out of Wellington, New Zealand, so maybe it's a different perspective. As always, smash that like button. I'll catch you on the next one.